Good morning, amazing 7th graders. I hope you had a nice long weekend. What a nice weekend. Beautiful weather. Nice day out there again today. We are rounding the corner, heading to the end of the year. And I think you might be grateful that at that point you won't have to check multiple Google Classrooms and post all sorts of online stuff throughout the day. So here's your task today. You're going to watch my video right now. Then there's a TED video about the energy within the Earth's systems. It's, in looking at videos and looking at different things, it's probably the most comprehensive. I mean, it has all sorts of great parts in there that talk about this big concept we've been learning about energy transfer. Now we're going to start to translate that to energy transfer here on just our planet. And what does that mean for things like right now as we're looking outside? What does that mean for weather? So we're going to move through these energy transfer concepts and then transition to weather here at the end of the week or beginning of next week. And then, so after watching that video, you're going to post a sticky to the Jamboard. And then you'll notice that this assignment was posted as a question. So you're going to answer that question. You're going to do what I call an educated guess. And so you'll answer that. So the video is really good. I mean, it's just
passes and further affects the energy flow. The sun is also
you can see it's got it's got some good stuff. So I might watch that video quickly and I find things that let's just listen for a second.
Source of energy for organisms. Plants, algae, and cyanobacteria use sunlight to produce organic matter from carbon dioxide and water, powering the biosphere's food chains.
Okay, so I might go to our Jamboard. I'm going to pick add sticky. You guys have done this before. I'm going to go with blue because that's the color of the sky out there today. And I'm going to put Mr. Black. So the first thing I'm going to do is have my name. And then I might put, he talked about energy is transferred from the sun to our system on Earth, and that energy is used by plants to grow, which in turn we use for energy when we eat. Just something simple like that. So there's my example sticky. You guys did this last week, and you can put that wherever you like. You might want to give a little turn or something. I don't know. Get fancy. Be like, look at me. Don't get any bigger than this one. Leave this one the biggest. That's the instruction one. Leave that one on there. And more importantly, after you post your sticky, make sure that you guys are coming back to check these stickies later. So today you're just going to watch this really good video. This is your discussion essentially. This is where you guys are going to discuss what you noticed. It's just that I noticed, and maybe I should change mine because it should have said I noticed. There we go. So I can go back and change that. I noticed. All right. So that would be an example of what I'd like you to do today. There will be, so other than watching this video and then essentially having a discussion through this Jamboard, the other thing that you'll work on today is, like I said, this is posted as a question for today. So you will make an educated guess about the question that this assignment was posted on. And the question is about, how are the houses essentially different here in the north than they are in the south, closer to the equator? And I'll help with the question as I add more in those instructions. So, TED video, post a sticky note on the Jamboard, answer the educated guess question. The other thing I would tell you is that the gold ticket video for the week, It will be posted this morning sometime, so make sure you're watching that as well. All right, guys. Kind of an ease back into it morning here. And I will see you later. Enjoy this day.